Chicken Little. Doesn't this chicken look so adorable? Let us make it together. You will need crayons, glue, orange poster paint, black sketch pen, 3 candy sticks. Color the body of the chicken with an orange crayon. Color the beak and head of the chicken with a red crayon. Color the candy sticks with an orange crayon and paste them on the lines using some glue. Pour some orange paint on a paper plate. Dip your thumb in the paint and make wings for the chicken as shown. Draw the eyes with the black sketch pen. Add some feather patterns on the body. The adorable chicken is ready to play with you.